So guys, this is the I was talking about the Asian Mall. Okay, so this is the app. This is a particular app on my screen. So I'll be opening it. So I want to show you guys on how to restart this Asian Mall. It's very simple. So I'm going to click it right now. Okay, so I'll wait for it to load. Okay, this is the surface of the app. Okay, so this particular app, okay, it enables you to pay with your Naira card. Okay, it enables you to pay with your Naira card. So I'll be walking you guys through on how to register with this HR more. Okay, you can see it. So if you already have your 1688, okay, you can bring your 1688 to this search bar. Okay, to this search bar here and place it the whatever product that you want. Why this particular place, you can see is picture section. There's called what they call picture section, right? So now what we are here for this class is it's hard to restart this particular HMO. So you will click this particular that say mine. Okay, so I will click mine now. Okay, although I've already have this thing, so um I want to log out. Okay, let me log out. Okay, so I want to register as a new user. Okay, because I already have an account with them. Okay, this is what I use. Okay, me, I'm a student, so it's very easy. So I will click this particular place that says new user. Okay, this place that you are seeing, this place that the arrow is pointing now, click it. When you click it, it will you can see the surface here. This place is very easy. Okay, this is where you put your email, your username, your WhatsApp number. Okay, then you enter your password, then you confirm the password. Then this particular place is this letter that you are seeing here, this under this 2454, you will input it in this particular place. So now I'm going to input my email. Okay, sorry guys for the noise. Okay, so after I input the email, so I'm inputting my email right now. Okay, so you can see the way I'm doing it. Okay, so I already have an account. You can see this is my email that I'm just inside. So this is how to register it. So I will put my password that I myself need. I want. Okay, so now I'm putting my password. Then I will input this particular this one that says 230. This place the arrow is pointing. I will insert it now. It's called 2454. So I'll press confirm registration. This particular place, look on, they say login. So this particular place, sorry guys, so this particular place, I will tap it that says confirm registration. Okay, look at what they are saying. They say the login already exists. So after you press it, that is, you will automatically, okay, enter the dashboard. So now because I already have an account with these people, with this app, so right now I'm going to press existing account. So they ask me to put my login details. Okay, so I'm going to put it right now. Okay, so this is my login. You can see it on my screen here. So I already sign in. Okay, you can see I've already logged in. So you can see this is my, okay, so you can see it. Okay guys, so let's exit it. I want to exit the app. Okay, so this is my 1688. I won't be taking long on this tutorial. This is my 1688, right? So I will tap on my 1688. So if you already have an assist, if you already have a system, you already have your 1688 on your mobile phone. So you can see there is a lot of products here on 1688. Okay, so let's say this JBL right now is sold for 100 yuan. We are going for this JBL, all right? So I will tap it. So now I will copy this JBL link. I'll copy it. So when I copy it, I'll go straight to my shopping mall, ECHANMALL. So I'll wait for it to load. It's loading. This is loading. So they say I should copy the link here. I'll press search. So you can see um the 16th, the how I did it just now. Okay, so that is how to register this shopping mall. So I'll be leaving a WhatsApp link under this tutorial on how to register this ECHANMALL. Okay, I'll be leaving a link under that place. Okay, you can see a lot of things here. These are things. So this is where this is my warehouse. Like this place is the warehouse. So I'll be look at their warehouse here. You can also use that. You can also buy things from other places. Here is your balance on how to recharge. You can also withdraw it back. You can also recharge. Yes, how to recharge. You will put the amount. For instance, I want to recharge 25,000 naira. So I will just tap next. Then the money. So you can see this is the bank details. After you do the money that you used to send you used to transfer the photo, that is the proof of your payment. You tap here, then it will take you to the straight to your gallery. You insert it here, then you put the payer name. For instance, my name. Then you put your name here. You put the payment date. Then you press submit. Instant, they will confirm it for you. So it's very simple, very easy. That's what I'm using. So if you don't want to start, if you want to be doing like self shopping, so this app is very good for you. So I'll be dropping more updates on how to use this particular app. Okay. So meanwhile, I already dropped a link, a WhatsApp link. Okay, a WhatsApp link which we as a family we all discuss in that particular group. Like we grew together. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of things here. You can also type whatsoever you need in this particular place. Okay, so how to negotiate many things. So you click the link that you are seeing there, that WhatsApp link, and come to the group straight. Okay, thank you all for your time, and don't forget to like this channel, and don't forget to comment any question. I'm always here to reply every of your question. Okay, this thing is very easy, straight and forward. This is how to use this a channel. Okay, so this is how to use this. You can see there are a lot of goods. Very easy. Okay, they're very easy. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Okay, and comment your thoughts, and stay blessed. Don't forget to like this channel and give it a thumbs up. Okay.